In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable chat in Zoom, whether you're managing a large meeting and want to eliminate distractions, or simply wish to ensure the focus stays on the presentation. Turning off the chat feature can be extremely helpful. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can handle this swiftly and smoothly. First, you'll need to log into your Zoom account. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and head over to Zoom's official website. Once there, sign in using your credentials. You should now be on your Zoom dashboard. Next, direct your attention to the top right area of the screen where you'll find the My Account button. Click on that, and it should take you straight to your account settings page. Here you can find various options to tailor your Zoom experience. Once in your account settings, the next area to explore is the settings menu. This is the central hub where all the customization magic happens. You'll find different tabs and categories to sift through, but don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Within the settings menu, look for the meeting section. This is where Zoom houses all the settings relating to your meetings. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a list of features and options you can toggle on or off to suit your meeting requirements. Now focus your attention on the In-Meeting Basic section. This section contains fundamental settings that apply to the overall meeting experience. These include features that can be modified before and during your Zoom meetings to enhance participant engagement and interaction. Now, scroll down or use the search feature to find the chat option. It might require a bit of scrolling through the list of settings, but don't worry, it's there. The chat setting controls whether participants in your meeting can send public or private messages. Once you locate the chat setting, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. By default, this is usually turned on, allowing participants the ability to chat freely. What you want to do here is toggle this option off. By disabling it, you're ensuring chat functionality will not be available to all meeting participants. And just like that, you've disabled the chat functionality in your Zoom meetings. Remember, these settings can always be re-enabled if you decide to allow chat in the future, so feel free to adjust as needed for different meeting dynamics. Disabling chat can be particularly useful when presenting to a large audience, ensuring everyone remains focused on the content being shared. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and clear. If you have any further questions or need additional guidance, feel free to reach out through the comments section.